Welcome to the Actuator Installation Guide. The following tools are required: a TX20 Torx key, a 17mm socket, a torque wrench with a working range of 3 Newton meters, and grease. For installing the actuator, the brake disc must already be mounted. Clean the contact surfaces of the actuator and the hub with a lint-free cloth and a cleaner that evaporates without residue. Grease the blue sealing ring inside the hub using our gear grease. Check whether the screws are coated with thread locker. If necessary, apply medium-strength thread locker. Place the actuator onto the hub, ensuring that the pin is correctly positioned. Then take 3 of the 5 screws and insert them, so that one hole remains empty between each screw. This ensures the actuator can be evenly secured. Lightly tighten the 3 pre-positioned screws in a crosswise pattern. Then check that the actuator sits flush on the hub and can rotate freely in both directions without excessive force. Insert the 2 remaining screws into the free holes of the actuator. Tighten all screws in a crosswise pattern using a torque wrench set to 3 Newton meters. Check the actuator for free movement. During a full 360-degree rotation, the actuator must not collide with any other component. Check the minimum clearance between the brake disc and the actuator. The distance must be at least 1 millimeter. To ensure the hub is in the correct starting position for the following assembly steps, it must be manually shifted into first gear using the shift drum. Normally, the hub is delivered in first gear. Turn the hexagon of the shift drum counterclockwise with a 17mm socket until it reaches the stop. The hexagon of the shift drum must not be clamped in a vise. The hub is now in first gear. Clean the output gear and the mounting surface, then grease the output gear to prevent it from running dry against the housing and the axle plate. Slide the output gear onto the shift drum. The output gear can only be installed in one specific position. See the flat section on the shift drum and the markings on the hexagonal gear. This position applies only when the hub is in first gear.